the importance of proper concrete moisture testing. Let's explore a crucial aspect of concrete moisture testing that is often overlooked: the impact of temperature. When testing concrete moisture levels, it's essential to consider the temperature of the concrete slab. Temperature variations can significantly affect the accuracy of moisture readings. Factors such as ambient temperature, concrete temperature, and relative humidity in the environment can all influence moisture levels in concrete. Higher temperatures can lead to faster moisture evaporation, potentially skewing test results. To ensure accurate and reliable moisture testing results, it's important to monitor and record the temperature of the concrete slab during the testing process. This additional data point can provide valuable insights into moisture behavior and help interpret moisture test results more effectively. By integrating temperature monitoring into your concrete moisture testing procedures, you can enhance the precision and reliability of your assessments, leading to better decision-making and more successful flooring installations. Ready to elevate your concrete moisture testing game? Visit wagnermeters.com to start incorporating temperature monitoring into your workflow today.